Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn and the Igloo. Both promise to deliver 26 pounds of ice per day, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. Whether you're looking for speed, portability, or value for money, we've got you covered. Let's find out which ice maker is the best for your home, kitchen, or travel adventures. Let's start with the price. The Silonn Ice Maker is priced at $109, while the Igloo offers a more budget-friendly option at $87. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, the Igloo may be the better choice. However, the Silonn's higher price may be justified by its additional features. Next, let's compare the ice production speed. The Silonn Ice Maker produces 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, making it slightly faster than the Igloo, which takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cubes. If speed is a priority for you, the Silonn has the edge here. Finally, let's talk about portability. The Silonn Ice Maker features a dedicated carry handle, making it easy to transport, whether you're moving it between rooms or taking it on camping trips. In contrast, the Igloo is compact but lacks a handle, which may make it less convenient for frequent movement. If you plan to use your ice maker in various locations, the Silonn's portability could be a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Igloo ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Silonn excels in speed and portability, while the Igloo offers excellent value for money. Depending on your specific needs, one may be a better fit than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.